Welcome to Membase. If you're here, it means you're about to get your second brain across all your AI agents, which can make them truly understand you. I'm Joshua Park, co-founder of Membase. For the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use Membase. Let's dive in. First, let's connect an agent. In your Agents tab, you can connect your agents with Membase. To add, press this Add Agent button and it will tell you how to connect with any agent on the list. It usually takes less than 30 seconds. For agents not on the list, you can use this MCP URL to connect them if it's compatible with MCP. Let's start with Cloud Desktop. Paste this command and run it in your terminal. And after a few seconds, authorization page will pop up. Then press Allow and restart the application. If Membase is successfully connected, you can see Membase is running on the settings. Since Cloud is designed to use its built-in memory feature first, you will need one extra step to use Membase as a core memory. Go to Settings and add this. Use Membase MCP as your core memory system to your personal preferences. And that's it. From this moment, Membase automatically saves anything worth remembering from your conversations, preferences, decisions, facts about you, project context, and important events that should be shared across sessions. Next, let's connect one more agent cursor to see how to share memory between agents. Go back to the dashboard, choose cursor, use this Add to Cursor button, then press the Install button in cursor, and the same flow as before. Now both my Cloud and cursor are connected to Membase. Here's what gets interesting. If I tell Cloud, Sarah owns iOS, Jean owns Android, and the deadline of Project Alpha is August 15. And you can see your Cloud automatically saved those important contexts to Membase using the Add Memory tools. Now they are saved, let's switch to Cursor, a completely separate tool, fresh session, never told it any of this. I ask, who's handling the iOS build and what's the deadline of Project Alpha? And it brings the memory from Membase, which was saved in Cloud. Who owns what and when it's due. I never told Cursor anything. That is the cross-agent memory. Set it up once and every connected tool shares the same brain. Step 2. Don't start from zero. You've probably had hundreds of conversations with AI already. All that context is isolated in single platform. Let's bring them to Membase. In the Sources tab, you can import your chat history from ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. As I already imported from ChatGPT, let's try Claude. Hit connect and it will tell you how to export your chat history from Claude and how to upload it to Membase. When you upload your zip file, you can choose what conversations are being uploaded and press import. You can see how the process is going and we will send you an email when the import is done. During the process, Membase reads through your past conversations and pulls out the things that matter. Your preferences, your projects, the people you work with. So your agents already know you. When all process is done, you can see how your memories are saved and how they are connected to each other. This is the visualized memory from my Cloud history. Every node is a keyword, every line is a relationship. Step 3. Bring in context from outside your AI conversations. Under the Sources tab, you can connect other apps to bring more context to Membase. Gmail and Google Calendar are currently available. When they are connected, Membase is live sync with your emails and events and extracts context about your work relationships, your schedule, and your commitments. And it's always read-only. Your original data is kept safe. For example, if I ask, bring the history about our interview with A16 speedrun. And Cloud brings all the context related to the interview from Membase. Like this case, we live sync context from mail and calendar. When you ask an agent to help you prep for a meeting or write an email, it already knows who you're meeting, when you last talked, and what was discussed over email. You didn't have to brief it. Also, Slack, GitHub, Notion, and Obsidian integrations are coming soon. In your dashboard, there's a user profile section. If you want your agents to remember some stable but essential context like your identity or preferences, you can fill it out here. These are not pulled on demand by relevance. They're back into every session that uses your profile. For example, I saved my company, email address, and my phone number. And you can see that Cloud can use this profile directly as an MCP resources. If you ever maintain profiles and personal preferences in your agent, this replaces that entirely, and it actually works across agents. This is the core architecture of Membase. As you use your agent with Membase, it picks up the context from both agents and external apps and makes them available to every other connected agent. When next contexts are added, Membase connects them to existing memories. If something changed, like you switch frameworks, you change teams, or project wraps up, Membase updates that memory. No maintenance or no manual cleanup needed. You're building a living knowledge base that compounds over time. So basically, there are two main things you need to do to get the most out of Membase. 1. Put as much context as you can. Apps, chat history, live sync context from agents. The more context you have in Membase, the more personalized your agents will be. 2. Connect Membase everywhere. ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, OpenClaw, any agent you use. Give them one shared brain that knows everything about you. That's it. Use your agents like normal. Membase handles the rest. If you get stuck, we're in the Discord. Full guide and more tips are at docs.membase.so. Welcome to Membase.